morning children. I hope you are all doing good. This is 3rd standard English. Block 5 present continuous verbs. Okay. I hope you all have completed S2 in workbook also. Now present continuous verbs means the actions which are happening right now in the present time which are happening, we call that present continuous verbs. Here are our keywords children. Verbs, is, am, are. As you know, verbs means action words. And is, am, are. These are the present tense forms of verb. This one you have learnt in block 1 S4 children. Do you remember? Okay, is, am and are present tense forms of verb. Now tell me children, what I am doing right now? I am teaching. What you are doing? You are watching. Here teaching and watching are the actions which are happening at the present time. Now I will write some examples on the board. He is watching TV. I am cooking. They are playing in the park. Hari and Sita are reading a story. Here I have underlined some words. What are the underlined words and what do they tell us? The underlined words are the verbs that they tell us about the actions are happening at that moment or at that time. Okay children? Now, is, am and are different in their use. The word is shows the action done by one person. Okay, see, he is a singular. So we have to use is. Then am is a word shows the action done by ourselves. Okay children, now here see, they are playing in the park. Hari and Sita are reading a story. Here are playing and are reading. The word are shows the action done by more than one person. Now, how do we write present continuous verbs? What we have to do? We have to add ing to the verbs. As you know, verb is an action word children. So what we have to do? We have to add ing to the action word. See, do. Do is an action word. Plus ing. Doing. Do plus ing. Doing. He is doing his homework. At present he is doing. Play plus ing. Playing. Now they are playing in the park. Watch plus ing. Watching. Maybe now they are watching TV. Okay children, now see for example. These are all the present continuous verbs. If you want to write a sentence in present continuous tense, we have to follow the formula. Now children, when we are writing a sentence in present continuous form, we have to follow the rule. First we have to write subject. Subject is nothing but naming part. Then we have to write the present tense be forms, whether it is am or are. And then we have to add ing to the verb. And then rest of the sentence. See here, the first one, Radha is going to the market. Radha is the subject. You know, it is a naming part. It is singular. So which one we have to use? We have to use is. Radha is. Then what we have to do? We have to add ing to the verb. What is the action she is doing? Going. Where she is going? To the market. So Radha is going to the market. Now, we are listening to the teacher. We is the subject. When we means this is plural, more than one person. So what we have to use? Which present be form we have to use? Are. We are listening. Listening is the verb form. So it is listening. Now we are listening. To whom we are listening? To the teacher. Third one. I am doing my homework. I is the subject children. When I comes, am we have to use. I told you am is a word that shows the action done by ourselves. I am. What I am doing? Verb plus ing. Do plus ing. Doing my homework. I am doing my homework. Okay children? Now, see these are all the sentences. When anyone asks, we are giving like this answers. If we want to ask a question in present continuous tense, how do we ask? When we are asking a question in present continuous tense, the be forms should come before the subject. See, are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Is he completing his work? Am I your best friend? See children, what is happening when we are asking the questions in present continuous tense? The be forms will come before the subject. Okay children, I hope you all understood it clearly. Now open your workbooks. S3 children, present continuous verbs. Write today's date as you open the book. Write today's date 23-9-2020. First one, answer the questions. What are children doing in the playground right now? Actually, what the children will do, children? They will play. So this is present continuous verbs. As I told you, there is the rule subject plus is or am or are and verb plus ing and the rest of the sentence. The children are playing in the playground. Okay, second one. What is your teacher doing right now? My teacher is teaching. You can write my teacher is teaching in the class. What are you reading right now? I am reading a book, or you can write I am reading a story. Anything you can write, children. Okay, now second one. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the verbs given within brackets. No need to write full sentence. They have given you some verbs. For this, we have to write the correct form of the verb. A. Hurry up. I am wait. Okay, in the bracket, wait is there for you. So, what it will come, children? Hurry up. I am waiting. What is the spelling of waiting? W-A-I-T-I-N-G. Waiting. Waiting for you. What are you? Do is there. What will be the correct form of the verb here? Doing. What are you doing? Okay. Now, I am dash is there. So, play. What we have to do? We have to add ing. I am playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. See. Here always waste is there. Waste time. In the bracket, what is the verb? Waste. We have to write correct form of verb. You are always wasting. W-A-S-T-I-N-G. Wasting time. I am dash go now. For this, going. Go, going. G-O-I-N-G. I am dash to. Go is there. What we have to write again? I am going to. Once again, we will read this conversation, children. Hurry up. I am waiting for you. What are you doing? I am playing. This boy is telling that I am playing. You are always wasting time. I am going now. I am going to. Okay. Third one. Look at your drawing of where go the boats in S2 and describe what is happening in it using ing verbs. Dark brown river is flowing slowly. So dark brown river is flowing slowly. Boats are floating on the river. There are many trees standing on either side of the river. A little boy is standing near a tree. Again I am reading, children. Dark brown river is flowing slowly. Boats are floating on the river. There are many trees standing on either side of the river. A little boy is standing near a tree. Okay. Complete S3 and now open your English classworks, children. Now children, we have completed make sentences in the classwork. After writing make sentences, leave a line and draw a line with red color pencil. Now we are going to write question number 3 from page number 37 in reader in the classwork. Write today's date 23/9/2020. Okay. Now third question. Open your readers, children. Page number 37. This one we are going to write. Third one. Fill in the blanks with the verbs in brackets use is or am or are correctly. This is a conversation between father, mother and a son. Okay. So now I am reading what is happening there. Rohan, hi mom. What? Here see dash is there and you and then dash is there. Here they have given you the verb. So what it will come, children? Hi mom, what are you doing? A-R-E-R, you. See here they have given you the verb. Doing, D-O-I-N-G, doing. Mom, hey, I dash dash cook lunch. When I comes, what we have to write? Is or am or are? Is, am, I am, cook. So cooking. What we are doing? We are adding ing to the verb. I am cooking lunch. Rohan, what dash you dash do? Dad, he is asking his daddy. What are you doing? Okay, doing that. Then dad is telling that I dash dash help your mom. When I comes, I am helping. What is daddy is telling that? He is helping his mummy. Rohan, who dash dash come for lunch? So this is present continuous tense, no? Who are coming? C-O-M-I-N-G. Who are coming for lunch? Mom, all your friends from the colony. We dash dash have a party. When we comes, that is more than one person. So we are have. When we add ing to the word have, what it will come? Having. We are having party. Okay, the same thing you have to write in your classwork. I'll show you how you have to write. When you are writing, follow my instructions. When I ask you to leave the line, you have to leave the line, children. Okay, I want your handwriting should be neat. Now, third one, after this drawing that line, write today's date. Third one, see, fill in the blanks with verbs in brackets. Use is, am or are correctly. Rohan, hi mom, what are you doing? See, I used here red color pencil and underline with red color pencil. After writing this, leave one line. Leave one line, children. Then mom, hey, I am cooking lunch. Am and cooking. Again I have written with red color pencil. Again leave the line. Rohan, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? Here you have to write. Dad, dad. Again leave one line. I am helping your mom. Again leave one line. Rohan, who are coming for lunch? Who are coming for lunch? Underline with red color pencil. Mom, all your friends from the colony. We are having a party. Is it clear, children? Write neatly, give finger space and write properly. Thank you.